Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an ebook. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an ebook? An ebook, short for electronic book, is a digital version of a traditional printed book that can be read on electronic devices such as computers, tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. Ebooks typically come in various formats such as PDF, EPUB, movie, and others, and they can contain text, images, and sometimes multimedia elements. They offer convenience in terms of portability and accessibility since they can be easily downloaded, stored, and read on different devices without the need of physical space or specialized equipment. Ebooks are commonly used for reading novels, textbooks, research papers, and various other types of written content. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is an ebook is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.